Indonesia was shaken near Lhokseumawe, Aceh, by an earthquake of magnitude 5.1 only 23 minutes ago, the United States Geological Survey reported. The quake hit at a shallow depth of 10 kilometers beneath the epicenter near Lhokseumawe, Aceh, Indonesia, early evening on Monday, January 2, 2023, at 6:39 p.m. local time. Shallow earthquakes are felt more strongly than deeper ones as they are closer to the surface. The exact magnitude, epicenter, and depth of the quake might be revised within the next few hours or minutes as seismologists review data and refine their calculations, or as other agencies issue their reports. Our monitoring service identified a second report from Thailand's Earthquake Observation Division, TMD, which listed the quake at magnitude 5.1 as well. Other agencies reporting the same quake include the citizen-seismograph network of RaspberryShake at magnitude 5.1.